Have you ever heard of a fish that's delicious, nutritious, and plays a major role in some of the world's most famous seafood dishes? Meet the haddock fish, a popular saltwater fish known for its mild flavor, flaky white meat, and impressive health benefits. But what exactly is haddock? Where does it live? Why do so many people enjoy eating it? Are there any health risks you should know about? Stay with us, because today we're exploring everything you need to know about the fascinating haddock fish. Haddock is a saltwater fish belonging to the cod family. Its scientific name is Melanogrammus eglophenus. It is closely related to cod and shares many similarities, but haddock has its own unique characteristics that make it popular among seafood lovers. For centuries, haddock has been an important food source and remains one of the most commercially valuable fish species in the North Atlantic. Haddock naturally inhabits the cold waters of the North Atlantic Ocean. It is commonly found near the coasts of countries such as the United Kingdom, Norway, Iceland, Canada, and the northeastern United States. These fish prefer cooler ocean environments and are often found near the seafloor, where they search for food. Because of their wide distribution, haddock has become a staple seafood in many coastal communities. Haddock has a distinctive appearance that helps fishermen and marine biologists identify it easily. It usually has a dark gray or blackish back, silvery sides, and a bright white underside. One of its most recognizable features is a dark spot located above the pectoral fin. This mark is often called the devil's thumbprint and has inspired several legends and stories over the years. Most haddock grow between 30 and 70 centimeters in length, although some individuals can become much larger. In the wild, haddock can live for more than 10 years when conditions are favorable. As they age, they continue growing and become important members of the marine ecosystem. Haddock are carnivorous fish. Their diet includes small fish, worms, crustaceans, shrimp, and various bottom-dwelling marine creatures. Using their sensitive mouths, they search the ocean floor for food and play an important role in maintaining balance within marine ecosystems. One reason haddock is so popular is its excellent taste. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor that appeals to a wide range of people. Its flesh is firm, white, and flaky, making it suitable for many cooking methods. Even people who don't usually enjoy strong-tasting fish often find haddock enjoyable because of its gentle flavor. Haddock is packed with important nutrients. It provides high-quality protein, which helps build and repair muscles. It is also rich in vitamin B12, selenium, phosphorus, and iodine. Another advantage is that haddock is relatively low in fat, while still providing valuable nutrients for overall health. This makes it a popular choice for people looking for nutritious seafood options. Let's look at some of the major health benefits of haddock. First, its protein content helps support muscle growth and recovery. Second, it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which may help support heart health and healthy blood circulation. Third, vitamin B12 plays an important role in maintaining healthy nerves and supporting brain function. The iodine found in haddock helps the thyroid gland function properly, while phosphorus contributes to strong bones and teeth. Together, these nutrients make haddock a healthy addition to a balanced diet. Haddock is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be baked, grilled, steamed, smoked, or fried. In many countries, haddock is a favorite ingredient in fish and chips. Its mild flavor allows it to absorb seasonings well, making it suitable for a variety of recipes. Beyond its nutritional value, haddock also plays an important economic role. Commercial fishing industries in North Atlantic regions depend heavily on haddock. Millions of people around the world consume haddock every year, supporting jobs in fishing, processing, transportation, and food service industries. Although haddock offers many benefits, there are a few precautions to consider. Some individuals may have fish allergies and should avoid consuming haddock. If the fish is heavily fried, it can become much higher in calories and unhealthy fats. It's also important to purchase haddock from reliable sources and ensure it is stored properly. Spoiled fish can cause foodborne illness. Whenever possible, choosing sustainably sourced haddock can help protect fish populations and marine ecosystems. Haddock is much more than just a tasty seafood option. From its unique appearance and fascinating habitat to its nutritional value and health benefits, this fish has earned its place as one of the world's most popular seafood choices. Whether you're interested in marine life, healthy eating, or simply trying new foods, Haddock is certainly a fish worth knowing about. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating facts about fish, fruits, flowers, vegetables, and the natural world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, be happy, be cool.